Many people are concerned about how coronavirus is going to affect their housing. Shelter Cymru are working hard to provide up-to-date, expert housing advice during the pandemic. Emergency laws have been passed to protect tenants from eviction. Refuges for those needing to escape abuse remain open, and steps have been taken to help people who are struggling to pay their rent and mortgage. Many organisations are providing support and advice through social media or via telephone. Some of the concerns people in Wales have contacted us about include staying safe during lockdown, self-isolating when living in shared accommodation or on the street, being evicted and made homeless during the crisis, a loss of job, a drop in income, and not being able to pay mortgage or rent instalments. Times might seem more difficult than ever at the moment, but there is help available. Shelter Cymru is here to help you. Call our free helpline on 08000 495 495 Monday to Friday from 9:30 AM to 4 PM. Use our web chat facility or search our online advice.